Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, and Blackout Bingo are established real money bingo apps, but legit doesn't mean guaranteed profits. Each one uses cash competitions where you can win or lose money depending on the result. By the end, you'll know 5 legitimate bingo apps worth checking in 2026, what makes each one different, and what to verify before depositing. Bingo Cash takes the top spot. It's built specifically around competitive bingo tournaments and separates withdrawable cash from bonus funds. That distinction matters because the balance shown in your account isn't necessarily all cash you can withdraw. Check the tournament entry fee and withdrawal rules before joining a paid game. Bingo Clash A, ranks second, toy. It uses head-to-head matches instead of a traditional bingo room format. Avia Games lists PayPal among its withdrawal options for eligible players. Cash competitions aren't available in every location, so confirm that the cash option appears in your account before depositing. Blackout Bingo comes in third. Its format is based on speed, with numbers appearing quickly while you mark your card. The app offers free gameplay alongside paid tournaments that can award real money prizes. Paid tournaments involve financial risk, so start with free games if you're learning the format. Bingo Tour takes 4th place. It's another Avia Games title that combines bingo with power-ups and competitive events. Free gameplay lets you learn the mechanics before entering cash competitions. Cash availability and withdrawal eligibility depend on the current rules for your location. Bingo Blish rounds out the list. Avia Games offers free ticket matches and cash matches, giving beginners a way to learn the game before paying an entry fee. Eligible cash winnings can be withdrawn through supported payment methods. Now, here's how to tell whether an app is actually worth using. First, open the withdrawal section before depositing. Check the available payment methods and minimum cash-out requirement. Second, look at the tournament entry fee because real money games can cost money to enter. Third, check whether bonus credits are treated differently from withdrawable cash. Also verify that cash games are legally available where you live. Availability can vary by location, and an app being available in an app store doesn't mean every cash feature is available in every region. So the 5 apps to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Blish. The practical move is to start with free gameplay, learn the scoring system, and verify the withdrawal rules before spending anything. If you want more straightforward rankings of legitimate apps that pay real money, like the video and subscribe.